année.
Bonne année.
Bonne année. Bonjour, je m'appelle Joy. Bonne année. Happy New Year. I am wearing a beret and I feel like I look weird, but also kind of cool. I don't know. I missed you guys. I really did. I feel like I haven't filmed in so long. I actually feel kind of like nervous talking to a camera. It's weird how when you don't film even for a little bit, you kind of just like get out of practice. But I'm feeling good. I'm in the office. January didn't exist, but it's okay because we're starting in February. It's February 4th today. I actually have a photo shoot for a new necklace that I am launching. I don't know the exact date yet as I am filming this, but it might be out when this video is out. So I'll put the date here when it's going out. Follow Humble Ego and my personal Instagram so you won't miss it. It's limited edition stock because for this necklace I am using a garnet that's pretty hard to find, so I have very limited stock available, but it's a really nice necklace and I'm excited for you guys to see it. So actually I'm wearing it now, maybe I can show you. This is the necklace. I am obsessed with it. I'll give you guys a better look later. All my friends that have seen it have pretty much said it's one of their favorites, and yeah, so we're shooting the campaign for that, which was meant to be shot in January, but obviously things had to keep being postponed with COVID and me being COVID. But yeah, I'm really excited to do that this afternoon. Hopefully it turns out okay. We're actually shooting in like a greenhouse, like a flower greenhouse. But when I scouted the location, it was stunning and there was lots of flowers, but I did that like a week or two ago. So the lady says there isn't as many flowers now, so I'm praying that it's still gonna look really beautiful. I'm sure it will be. But yeah, now I'm just trying to get everything ready. I have some necklaces that I want to finish up for the stock. As you guys see, they looking beautiful, so I have to put the clasps and spring rings on all of these. I've already done so many that are in the cabinet, but yeah, I'm super excited. This is some of the stock that I have finished. I just have it under here. I got one of all the sizes so I can try it on the models and see which size works. But on other news, Snoopy has a new leaf. Ever since this new year, he grew 2 new leaves, which is so cute.
And I'll be your mannequin, your top 10, and you'll write me a poem. Until then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's rob a bank. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next question in the script. Comme ci, comme ça, ouah, ouah, ouah. J'adore mes amis. Oh, how dull life would be. And I'd be a vagabond.
Oh, okay, good.
Please, can I see it?
Hi guys, so it is currently 5:46 p.m. I've been in the office all day. Little Ethan has been keeping me company and working too. Yeah, the shoot went really well. I am so grateful for Red Jumping Ant, where we got to film. Like, that flower field was so amazing. They were so kind to let us go there, and to Xander and Tamara, who were just such cute models. so grateful for them and my brother, who's an amazing photographer. It all just came together and I'm really glad, because I was kind of trying to get that shoot happening for a while and it wasn't, so it just felt really good to get it out of the way. I still haven't got the film photos back, which I'm so excited to see how they turned out, but even the footage I have so far is so good. So yeah, I'm feeling good, I'm feeling excited, I'm feeling tired. I think I just need to eat and have a good sleep tonight. Look at you. You look so handsome. Today I am launching the amber necklace. I've been working all morning, just getting prepped and kind of running through all the content I need to post for the launch, and yeah, just tidying things up. I got the film photos back yesterday afternoon when I was lying in bed. I got the email. They have to be some of my favorite film photos I've taken. They are so beautiful. You know when you have a vision of what you want something to look like, and then when you actually do it, it just like doesn't really live up to what you had in your head, and it can still be really good, but it's just not necessarily what you had. But like, I got the photos back and I was like, this is what I wanted. I'm so happy they turned out well. It is my friend Jarla's birthday tonight and we're going out to dinner, and she actually came to the office yesterday. Yes, yesterday. And kind of was like, oh, I think I might want to get myself one of the amber necklaces. And I was like, oh, yay, that sounds good. But it's her birthday today, so I'm going to gift her an amber necklace, so I need to pack that up and write her a card. I'm also going to the doctor's in half an hour because, as you guys know, I had COVID pretty bad throughout January, and I'm just wanting to boost up my body and get myself healthy again and energized again. So I'm going to try take some vitamin C shots. So I'm going to my doctor and the nurse is going to do that. I've never had a vitamin C shot. I don't know if they just inject it into your arm or I don't know. I'm so excited to launch this necklace, but I'm also so nervous. But yeah. It is now 5:46, 14 minutes until I'm launching the amber necklace. I thought I would share with you guys a few things that I desire for myself and in my life, because the whole thing about this necklace is that the garnet is a really good tool for like helping you manifest and just giving you the willpower to get what you want and go after your dreams and kind of attract whatever you desire. So I want to share that I really want to kind of push myself to step out of my comfort zone and get into acting and have a really good, refreshing, growing experience of kind of doing some sort of acting course this year. I don't know where or when, but I really want to make sure that I do that, because I don't know, I've just always been interested in acting and it bloody scares me, and I feel like that's why I should do it, because I always come back to it, so I need to try it just for fun, no pressure, but just like as a way of pushing myself and trying something new. So now that I've said it while wearing the necklace, it better come true. So yeah, if you guys get the necklace, I encourage you while wearing it to do some sort of journal session where you write your desires and what you want, and even just speaking it out loud is so powerful. I hope this necklace can make you guys feel like you can attract what you desire and just make your dreams come true. That's what I'm hoping for me this year, and that's why I haven't taken the necklace off. So yeah, I need to actually start posting all this stuff, which is scary, but it's happening. Good morning guys, so I'm back in the office. I'm just really grateful. I know my little bubble on the internet with Joyish and Humble Ego is quite small, but I feel so lucky to have such amazing supportive viewers, and I know I say this often in my videos, but I really do mean it. I want to say thank you, and yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap up the video here because I want to get this video up since I haven't posted it on YouTube for so long. But I wanted to ask you guys, this video was obviously primarily about work because after being sick for a week I just really needed to prioritize work, and I really like filming a lot of like the behind the scenes of like running a business, and like I personally love watching those kind of videos. But I wanted to ask you guys and see if you guys enjoy this kind of video. Would you prefer more of just like my social life outside of work? I will see you guys so soon. I will. I promise. It's not going to be a month and a half. I will be back.